Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my video. This is Robiul Islam and I am steel product manufacturing expert by use of CNC machine. This is a machine which used to punch plate. This name of the machine CNC PP103. This machine is used to punch a plate. I create a program of 3 hole and send to PLC of CNC machine to do the job according to the drawing. Already I send the program and my worker start the work. Now I check after punch the plate. The working already start, and when finish I measure that. Only 3 hole, it's not take many time. I send only 3 hole for complete earlier. Already done. I measure that the plate with okay or not. I measure according to the drawing. Is 38 according to the drawing, this member name, and I measure left to right according to the drawing. If this is right, then I continue production. Thank you so much.